Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for your Crunchyroll's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Crunchyroll's account, firstly open up your Crunchyroll application. The official page of Crunchyroll application will appear on the screen. Click on Create Account option at the bottom of the page. Enter your email address and create a password for your Crunchyroll account, then tap on Create Account. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. By creating an account, you're agreeing to the terms and conditions of Crunchyroll. This is how you can sign up for your Crunchyroll's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.